Hello and welcome to another Scalable software tutorial. In this video, we are going to show you how to set up GigE cameras using our software. To start, open the Cameras panel. For a basic setup without a lot of networking on the system, it is best to use the basic camera configuration. In this menu, you can identify the number of cameras being used as well as the type of camera. As of right now, we support Canon, Logitech, Basler GigE cameras, image source, IDS, and point gray cameras. For this example, we are going to connect a Basler camera. When there is a camera connected to the Scalable software, there will be a green light next to the camera list. If one is not connected, a red light will appear. If your system has multiple cameras and you need to adjust the positioning, you can use the arrows next to the camera list. For this example, we have two cameras connected, and we want to use the Basler Camera 1 to be the Camera 2 slot. Click on the arrow icon and allow the adjustment to be made. This will take some time. After it finishes adjusting, you will notice the Basler Camera 1 is now in the Camera 2 position. When using multiple cameras on one network, we will want to choose the Advanced Camera Configuration option. The cameras will be identified by the serial number and the brand. In this example, we are using a Basler camera and we are going to click the Add option button to assign our camera to our system. It will take some time to load, and then the camera will be added to the list. Same as before, there will be a green light if the camera connection is successful. To move your camera position, use the arrows next to the cameras list. If you are not seeing your camera on the Advanced Camera Configuration, there is an issue between the connection of your computer to the camera drivers are not installed, or other reasons. If you have any issues, please contact the support team. That's all we have for this video. We hope you enjoyed, and we will see you next time.